Most roofing companies aren't falling behind because of bad work. They're losing because they don't know their numbers. In 2026, flying blind is no longer an option. Peak Performance 2026 Roofing Industry Benchmarks for Success is live, and it's not just another State of the Industry report. It's a scorecard, a way to see exactly how your business stacks up against top-performing roofing companies, like how fast they respond to leads, what drives five-star reputations, and where healthy margins land. Every section shows the gap between average and best in class, and where most roofing companies are leaking time, money, and margin without realizing it. Peak Performance doesn't just show you the problem. It shows you what top roofers are doing differently and what to fix in the next 90 days. If you want fewer surprises in 2026, stop guessing. Benchmark your business. Build a real game plan. That's Peak Performance. See where you stand today.